Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are continuing our coverage of GripTape. Once again, we are going to install this GripTape locally, and in this video, we are going to see how we can do transcription with the help of GripTape quite easily and by using AI agents. Now the use cases could be huge for GripTape because when it comes to AI agents, they could be autonomous, they could be workhorses of your AI powered applications, and that is where this GripTape is trying to make a difference. As I have mentioned in my other videos, GripTape is a modular Python framework for building AI powered applications that securely connect to your enterprise data and APIs, and that makes it really cool. It also offers the developers the ability to maintain control and flexibility at every step. The thing which I really like about GripTape is that it is modular, which means that it divides everything into different components that can be knitted together. So, for instance, everything which agents do in GripTape is a task, and the task they use tools, and the tools are used with the help of various drivers. We already have seen drivers for vision task, we have seen it for generating audio from text, we have seen it for text based LLMs, and there are a lot of other use cases which seem really cool with GripTape. In this video, we are going to again install GripTape locally, and then we will see how can we do the transcription with the help of GripTape, and it makes it so easy. Now there are various other tools which do the similar thing. I mean that transcription with the help of OpenAI's models, but I think what really makes it slightly uniquer, the GripTape I mean, is that it makes it easy to integrate this transcription capability to your AI agents, and then you can pipe it through to other AI agents to build a consolidated, coordinated, and well orchestrated AI application. So let's get it installed and then we will see how it works. Let me also give a huge thanks to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system, and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. I'm not going to use it, so because I'll be using OpenAI's model. Let me create a virtual environment with Conda. And now let me install GripTape with the simple pip command. It is going to take a few seconds. Okay, that is done. Now let me set my OpenAI's API key because I will be using OpenAI's models, and that is where I think they need to improve and give us some support for local models such as Olama or llama.cpp. But anyway, so let me set my key and clear the screen. You can also get your own API key from platform.openai.com, and remember that is a paid option. So I'm going to set my key here. And now let me launch my Python interpreter and let's see it in action. So first up, let's import some of the libraries, and remember I told you that for every task what this GripTape does, it uses a driver. So it has a driver for vision tasks, it has a driver for generating audios, it has a driver for transcription. So in this case, because we are doing transcription, which means that we will give it an audio file, it could be MP3 file or WAV file, and it is going to transcribe it and give it the text back. So we are using OpenAI's audio transcriptor here, and then we have defined the tool because these agents in AI they use tools, and tool could be a web search, it could be a transcription tool, and all these tools in GripTape they use these drivers. So let's create a driver, and in order to create the driver, all we need to do is to just give it a model name, and we are using OpenAI's Whisper model, which is an all-time favorite model. And now let's give this now let's define a tool with the driver, which means that this is what we want to do with the help of agent. So this is how you define a tool, where you give it a driver, and then this tool is about audio transcription. And now let's run the agent. So when we say run the agent, it means this, where we are asking it to transcribe the audio file, and this is the audio file on my local system, and this file just mp3 file, it just says what is happiness. So agent has started. You see that it's transcribing the file. It's fairly quick. And if so, it has given you the value here. The transcription of audio file is what is happiness. It's very small file in English. If I also take you above, because that is quite interesting to see. And this is all what you can programmatically manage, which is really cool. So you see, it says that this is the output. What is happiness? That is what we said in that audio. Okay, so now let me give it slightly bigger audio file to see how it works on the bigger files. Okay, I have grabbed another audio file from my local system. Let me also play this file for you, so 405, so that you know what is happening.
Then, leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves, with their garments bound up by a girdle.
Okay, so now let's see what it does. And I'm playing it. You can see that this time we have gone with a wave file, and it is so quick. Even the you can already see that the value is already there, but I will show you from the top. And this is all the magic of your LLM, which is OpenAI, of course. The Whisper model, there you go. It looks perfect, and even it has placed a comma after that. Really good stuff. Okay, so now the main point is that we already know the power of Whisper and how cool that is. But the main point is that if you think about it, there are two things which you need to take away from this. First is that if you can do the transcription with the help of AI agents this easily, it means that you can not only build a very powerful AI application on top of it, where one agent is maybe producing an audio and then another agent is transcribing it, and maybe your application is interfacing with some sort of external API that could also use that audio or that text, whatever your use case is. So we can build an orchestrated AI application with the help of this GripTape, and I think this is where it makes a lot of sense. But one word of caution: if you're using these API based models, then the cost could really go through the roof very quickly, because these API calls are expensive. Even if you are using OpenAIs or models like Whisper, if the use case is huge, it could really be very, very high. So in order to avoid the bill shock, you need to be aware of the cost. You need to put some sort of thresholds there. Plus there could be some throttling issues if you are really, really uh, trying to beat the life out of it. So make sure that you're aware of these pitfalls. Anyway, but still a good tool, I would say. Let me know what do you think about GripTape. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps. Thank you for watching.